Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you the data and privacy Google account on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, just click on here search option and search for the data and privacy. Okay, so it does not come right. So what you need to do is start Google. Just search for the Google account. Okay, so when you search for the Google account, here is the data and privacy. Just click on data and privacy. When you move on data and privacy, if you want to check the data and privacy on this account, you can select from here any account that you want to check. Okay, suppose I select this account and I want to check the data and privacy. So here is the data and privacy. You can check the data and privacy like this. Okay, it's very easy to check the data and privacy. You can check the YouTube history. Suppose you want to activate the YouTube history, or you want to deactivate the YouTube history. You are your wish. Okay, if you want to off, you can turn off, and if you want to on, you can on. Suppose you don't want to give the history of YouTube that you are watching, just click on turn off. The history will not be there that you are watching whatever. Okay, and if you turn on, the history will be there. Okay, it says include the YouTube videos you watch, include your search on YouTube. See, it used to include the videos and search that you are searching for on the YouTube. Okay, I just click on the back button and see this is the location history and this is the web and app activity. Okay, see this or on turn on, only location I off it. Okay, I pause it, and if you want to off, then you can off it. Okay, and this one is the personalized ads, my ad center, partner ad setting. So this all are you can found here. Okay, every personal. Okay, this is the privacy, but I'm just showing you so that you can know about the Google more. Okay, suppose again I click on data and privacy and I want to show you something. So I just finished to show you is the history. So now let's move on down. Oh, I have finished to show you everything. This one is the information you can share with others. This one is the information that you can share with others. And this one is the profile. This one is the location sharing. Okay, this one is the who can see your data. You can change it if you want to change. Okay, so friends, this here is the many more that you can know. Okay, about the Google account and your personal information. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.